we got from this using this statistics, we got valid prediction. And
Correct.
in psychological fact, we also get the latent phenomena of behavior.
Okay. Okay. So you have understood that is the one of the major purpose for multivariate statistics is to explore the latent phenomena. Okay. So who can say about the latent phenomena? What is the meaning of latent phenomena? Latent phenomena means underlying relationship.
Right, which are not visible, we cannot readily see, but
Correct.
those are inner
Inner ideas.
constructs.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean we cannot see readily, but we can measure it through this multivariate analysis. More than two variable we can deal here. Over.
Wow. Very good, madam. So now I think it is clear to all of you what is called the multivariate. And, and now, do you have any idea about RStudio? Whether anyone has downloaded RStudio? I think Amit has downloaded.
Yes, sir.
Anthony has also.
I have also downloaded, but I don't have any idea how to use it.
Okay. Joseph?
Yes, I have downloaded.
Very good.
Yeah.
Kavita? Kavita, have you downloaded?
Yes, Sudha.
Wow, very good. Famida, madam? Have you downloaded this one?
Sir, I have RStudio in my laptop.
Wow, very good.
Yeah.
So everybody is well equipped. So now I am sharing you the RStudio. RStudio is very friendly. It is very friendly.
Yes, sir, but yeah, we have to write down all the instructions, right, sir?
Yeah, only you have to write down the codes.
Yeah, codes.
Codes
Yeah.
are very simple, not very difficult.
So that's
Codes
why,
are very
we use more SPSS where codes are already written. That's the difference, I think. And also, but our studio is more user friendly. I have heard all my colleagues say that, and can do a lot of things compared to SPSS.
Yes, correct. So you can do a lot of the things through RStudio because the data is under your hands. Now I am sharing RStudio. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Now in the RStudio, you will find the 4 windows are there. Okay. This window is the syntax window. So here you can write down your script. And this is the window, that is the console. Here you can write the script and you can get the data directly. And this is the window, this third window, this is for the history. So here you can get all the history data. And this is the fourth window. This window is useful for understanding any graph, plots, etc. Also, different packages. So when you write down any help menu, and you will get that help here. RStudio has own data. R has the inbuilt data. R is very simple. For example, you can write down, it is just like calculator. 2 plus 2. It is just like a calculator. So you do not have any difficulty. Even class 9, 10 students, they can use the RStudio. So if you write down A equal to 2, and B equal to 3, then C equal to A plus B. Now you write down C. What is C? It is 5. This is clear? Very simple, na? Is it clear to all of you? This is very simple. You can write your own program. For example, I am writing here A equal to, A equal to scan bracket I am writing A means age. Is it clear? I am writing age. Now 45, 40, 30, 35, 25, 60, 40.
Sir, I have a question.
Sure.
Sir, the age number we are inputting, is that our items? Is that our is that the
I
age
am
number is
writing
from?
arbitrarily. It
Okay,
is arbitrary. It is nothing. I am
okay,
just
okay,
writing arbitrary, so that
okay,
you can understand that is how the R is interactive with the user.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So this is the interactive. So this is the variable. I have written age equal to scan, then the bracket, and after that, I am entering the data. So I have completed the 10 data, then I click it, Again, I click it. So it indicates read 10 items. This is clear to all of you. So now if I write down age, very easy, na?
Yes, sir.
It is very
Yes, I
easy.
can understand.
Just
Yeah.
you have to understand scan. That's all. Scan bracket. After that, you write down your variable name. Automatically, you will get. Now I get age. Okay.
Sir, after writing scan, should we give bracket and one? I mean, I am
Yeah,
not
only the bracket. After that, enter.
okay.
When you write down enter, then automatically you will get. Now you can practice it in your laptop. You will get 1 minute time.
So, sir,
Yes,
we
yes.
will first write in at the screen text.
Scan.
Or we
Yeah,
have
you
to
will
write
write
in
your
the
variable name. After that, equal to scan bracket.
there is a four tab you said. Okay. So we will write where? In console or in screen text?
You can write down in your console, then you will get the data automatically. I am writing in the console. I am not using the syntax window. I am writing directly
My
console.
console window is not like I am not getting it.
Can you share your window?
Yes, I can share.
Okay, now you share and I stop my share.
You have to allow me for screen sharing.
Yes.
Here I can see that the host disabled
Yeah, now you
participant
can
is
share.
okay.
Shubham, I think you know R.
Not much, sir. I mean, new to it. I am aware with SPSS, but not R much.
Okay. Oh, so this is your console, and this is your syntax window.
Yes.
Okay. So
But
you can
here
it,
R is free software, a lot of word I can't remove these things.
no, that's not required. There is one greater than sign. You go there, that is the command line.
Okay.
There you
Then
write down age. You can
H
write your name also. Age equal to scan,
H N
scan, SCAN, bracket, enter. Yeah. Now you can write down any age, whatever comes to your mind. So you
I
write
write.
down, then enter. Because you have written only one. Again, you
Okay.
write down.
Sir, when I am writing read, it is
No,
not
no, no.
coming as
You have
red.
to write down. No, 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 no. It is not the nothing will come. You have to write down age
Okay.
because age is the vector, age is the variable. Equal to scan,
Scan.
bracket.
Okay.
Then you continue age, at least 10 ages you write down.
So, sir, does that matter if we write in a capital letter or small letter? So, in initially he wrote in small letters. Now he's writing. Does that matter?
It is better to use the small letter always.
Okay, sir.
But if you can use this A is a capital, no problem.
Sir, in my screen, the read is not happening.
Okay, let finish. One student is working, Muhammad Rafiud.
Okay, sir.
What happened?
Maybe the input I have to write in small letters. Couldn't find function scan. Means we have to
Oh,
write
acha,
in a
acha.
small letter maybe.
We have written capital letter. It should be a small letter.
Yes, yes.
Your
Okay.
vector name will be as you like, but
Get off
when you
my
write
screen.
down the
The
function,
other participants.
scan is the function. When you write down the
Okay.
function, then there will be this bracket. Yes, Amit, you are saying something.
My operation that read one is not showing the red color.
Color is not the issue, whether it is working or not.
After the read, sir, the comments are not coming.
Okay, you share the screen.
Okay,
Share
sir.
the screen.
This is my screen.
Uh,
I think he hasn't used the console window.
oh, you have not used the console window.
Yeah.
That is the thing. No problem. You go to the console window and you write down age. AGE, A capital,
Okay.
because you have written GE, then enter.
Sir, if I write age in small letter, will that matter?
No, it's not the problem.
It's
You
okay,
have
sir.
already done. Why are you writing this thing? You
Okay.
just write down age.
Okay.
Because age already done, you have done. Enter. Acha. So you have to write down here, console.
Yeah.
This syntax window does not help you.
He has to
Because
write
in
again.
syntax window, you have written the... No, it will not work.
Okay, sir.
I need to write
No
again.
shortcut technique. You write down age. What is this?
Okay, sir. Shall I write it again, sir?
Yeah, you have to write down age, then equal to scan. Otherwise, it will not follow. Yeah.
It's okay, sir.
Enter.
Okay.
Now you write down.
Now it is come.
At least 10 data.
Okay, it's
When it is
automatically
11,
takes.
then you again, then you enter, then you will get the 10 data.
Sir, when do we use the script section and when do we use the console? I mean, any differentiation? I might have missed the part. Please tell me again.
No,
So now-
particularly when you are interacting directly, then it is better to use the console. And when you are not interacting, you are just writing the command, then you can go to the script window or syntax window.
Means if we want any instant output, we
Instant
write
date,
we write
instant result,
we write in
then
console.
console.
But
Very
if we
good.
are writing a long command for R2 function, then we write
Yeah.
things in script.
Then you go to the R script.
Okay. Okay, sir. Got it.
It
And
is
I-
just like SPSS syntax also.
The script is the
Yeah.
SPSS syntax.
Yeah, script.
Okay.
In SPSS, again, you will get the syntax.
Yes. Got it, sir. Now I can relate. Thank you, sir.
So now it's not adding up
Which one? Age.
in the
Age
script.
is there. And now you write down age. Amit, you write down A capital.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Okay. So this is clear to all of you. Any question?
Yeah.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now you have the age. 10 ages are there. So accordingly, you can write down the weight. Ten weights will be there. Amit, you are from medical side. Weight 45 age and weight is 20.
Okay, sir. I have to relate that.
Amit, you are from medical background.
No, sir. Actually, I was not knowing that you have to relate age and weight.
Yeah.
So I will type it again.
Yeah. Now again, you
Now
write
wait.
down weight.
Yes, sir. So how much shall I keep, sir?
That is
Minimum
up to you.
55.
Sir?
Age is 45.
Okay, so I will start with 70s.
Okay, as you like.
Someone who is fit, sir, I am keeping 65.
Please follow the age.
It's okay, sir.
Yeah, then enter. So 10 items are there. Just you check. You write down weight. Yeah, now you got.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any
Yes, sir.
question? No question. Correct. Now you can write down student equal to data dot frame. Bracket age, comma, weight. Then enter. What happened?
Oh, age is having epic capital, sir.
Be careful. Student equal to data dot frame.
Student equal to
Data
data
dot frame. Data dot frame.
data dot
Frame.
And after comma, I shall give space.
Data dot frame, then bracket. After that, age, comma, weight.
So between age and weight, sir, no space, no, sir.
No, after age, there will be comma.
And after comma,
After comma, weight will be there.
okay, no space.
No space.
Yes, sir, now it has.
Now you write down student. Enter. Got it?
Yes.
How is it? This is nice. Is it very tough? Art studio?
No,
Very
sir.
simple, no?
Uh,
Very simple.
Last
time
time,
consuming.
for me, it was
So-
difficult.
So one thing I want to ask, sir. So suppose like Amit sir was typing like the weights, he was typing the weights, and suppose on eighth number he wrote 77. If we can see on ninth, he writes something some other than numbers. He ends up typing, let's say, AY. What happened with me? I'm telling. So, and I moved ahead. Now I was not able to back it. I mean, like the backspace wasn't working. So I mean, we have to write it again, everything, or is there anything that we can?
Yeah, you have to write again.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can do that is by using the edit command, you can edit.
Okay, sir.
So this is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you write down, Amit, you write down str bracket student. Enter. What you have seen? First, you have seen that it is a data frame. Okay, data frame. This frame includes two variables
আমি ক্লাসে আছি
and 10 observations are there.
আমি 7 দিকে ক্লাসে কবে যাব
Is it clear to all of you? Any question?
This we will get to remember now over the period of time when to use this data frame thing and str.
Yeah, STR means structure.
Okay, structure student. So structure of whatever student data
Student,
frame
because
is.
student is the data frame.
Okay, okay,
Student is the data frame, student is the vector.
okay, okay. So sir, we will learn over the period of time by doing it again and again. This as you've just said, you write str. So
Yeah, STR, after that you just write down the data frame.
and you
Then
get the structure
automatically
part.
you will get the structure.
Okay. And before putting the structure instruction, we have to create a data frame.
Yeah, you have
So,
to create the data.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
It is interactive.
Okay, so this is the sequence. First you use the scan, then data frame, then structure.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, sir.
So Amit, you write down dim, bracket, student. Enter. What you have written? Dim, dimension. DIM means dimension. So now it is clear. 10 is the observation, 10 rows are there and 2 columns are there. This is clear to all of you. Any question?
Sir. Sir.
Bolo Kavita.
Sir, in case of student structure, there are some clue for structure. We write str. In case of dimension, we write dim. This type of clue is present. Now only I for preparing structure, I like that wrote like that.
Yeah, to get the structure, to understand the structure, sometimes you have to find out whether the data are categorical data or whether the data are metric data. So that can be provided by the structure, because here you can find out the variable name. Before that, there is one dollar sign. Have you seen the dollar sign?
Yes, sir.
So this dollar sign indicates the particular variable. For example, Amit, you write down student dollar age. Enter. Okay. So in this data frame, you can extract only the specific variable by using the dollar. Is it clear? Any question? Now you write down mean, 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 bracket, student dollar age. Enter. What you have done?
A capital.
R is very much sensitive. So be careful in handling
Again,
the.
it is a small letter. Um, yeah, now it's okay.
No, I think it is
Has to
capital.
be it has to be capital because initially you mentioned it as capital.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Now you get the mean. Okay. So what is the mean?
46 point.
46.3. Now you have to calculate the standard deviation. Standard deviation means SD.
STD.
No, only SD. SD, after that student dollar. What is the SD?
12.81.
Okay. Now you do the same thing for weight. Whatever I have taught. Everybody will do the same thing, what Amit is doing.
Sir,
Yes, Kavita.
sir, in case of 100 data, every data should put here, sir. No,
In case of ungrouped data, yeah.
no, in case of 100, here we write only 10 data. In case of 100 data, that's time all data are put like this.
Yeah, then you can do the same thing. 100 data. And if you have the data in the Excel, then you can extract that data from Excel.
Okay.
Now I am telling the how do you interact with the RStudio. You can extract data from the website, from any source. You can extract the data.
How
R is
come,
very friendly.
how come Amit's student dollar weight became 4?
Amit, what happened?
It is standard deviation.
SD. Oh,
Yeah,
it's
that is
standard
standard
deviation.
deviation.
Okay,
Standard
okay,
deviation, the value of standard deviation.
okay.
So this is clear to all of you. Any question?
I have a question from the start.
Okay.
When I was trying to input the age data, age equals to a scan, then I have inputted. When I have inputted 10 items, what should I do then?
After the 10, there will be the 11. Then you have to enter. Because in 11, you do not have any data. Then you enter. So it will
Okay.
take only the 10 data.
Okay. Got it.
Sir, what dollar sign indicates?
Dollar sign indicates the specific variable or specific element.
Okay, got it. Yes.
Because it is a data frame. For example, you are here.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a data frame to me.
Right.
And if I want to find out you, then I have to click you. Then I can get you, right?
Okay.
So
This
like that, if
yeah.
you write down the dollar sign, then
Mhm.
you can get the specific data.
Right. And then if I want on that specific data, the mean or SD, I have to write down separately.
Yeah, you can write that. Now you can write down median.
Yeah.
Amit, you can write down median. Bracket. You find out the median of age.
Student age. Dollar age.
45.
Now you can find out the range. Max. If you write down max, then maximum. What is?
No, sir, I think there is some problem.
So we have to write maximum and minimum separately.
Yeah. No. You can write down max, max, max.
It is giving
Bracket
maximum
student
age.
dollar age.
If
It
we
is
want
coming
to,
as 1.
sir, if we want to get the range, so it is only giving, if I write max, it is only giving the maximum age, not the
Maximum
minimum.
age. If you
Not
write
the
down
minimum.
mean, MIN mean,
Okay. So I have to write down separately, right?
yeah.
It is coming incorrectly, sir.
You didn't write dollar sign. You write N symbol.
Okay.
Yes, sir, this is cool.
Now it is 65.
Yeah.
You write down mean, MIN.
Great.
Now you write down range.
Range.
Okay. You do the same thing from weight for weight.
So we have to write down, sir, maximum, minimum first, then range.
You can write down range also.
Okay.
But if you want to do some analysis with only the maximum data, then you can use the max.
Okay. Great. Yeah.
I am requesting everybody, please practice. Just like Amit. Otherwise, you will forget. Okay, Amit.
Yes, sir.
Now you can write down plot, P-L-O-T, plot. Bracket age. Sorry, student dollar age.
Oh, again, I have done the same mistake.
You have done some mistake.
Yes, sir.
So here you can find out, show the plot. Yeah, this is the plot. So what is the meaning of first plot? First circle is there. What is the age?
45.
45. Okay. And where you can find out the age is maximum?
Above 60.
Okay.
So
60
5 and
above.
6.
Yes. Okay. And it is written index. That means the position. So when it is 8, not 6, sixth position, there you can find out the age is very high. The individual whose position is 6, his age is high. You write down student $age. Enter. What is the sixth position?
65.
65.
65. So here you can find out the position. This is clear. So this
Yes.
is the serial order of your data and that individual position. And if you want to see this particular data, then you can write down locator. You write locator, LOCATOR. Then bracket, then enter. Yeah. Now you click that particular data, this 65 age. You click it.
Clicking, sir.
No, you have not clicked.
No, I have clicked. In the plot, I am clicking.
What you have written, LOCATOR. There is
Right.
one red sign is still there. That means your clicking is not working.
So I click any other dot, maybe.
Okay,
When I am clicking a
maybe
plus sign,
no, maybe you have increased the frame. Whatever
yes,
the
sir, yes.
original site. After that, you click. No, it is not working in your, because this red sign still is there. Have you seen the red sign
Yes.
in your console? In your console, there is one red that indicates still you are searching.
Yeah, this one, sir. Yeah, this one, sir.
Yeah, this one. You click it, this red sign. After that, you click the, no, nothing comes. What happened?
R is
No.
not responding to your request. Interrupt processing to stop the current operation. It's
Terminating
saying,
all.
please close me. I am tired.
Okay. Okay, then locator. Acha, can you do one thing? In
Yes,
this
sir.
locator, within the bracket, you can write down 1.
I will write again.
Uh, locator. No, it will not work because the command is not working. Locator 1. Within bracket, 1 will be there. Then
Enter, sir.
enter. No, it will not work. Yeah. You do one thing.
Yes, yes.
You you take the greater than sign and all the whatever the things you have written, you just copy all of them.
From here, sir.
You have to take the greater than sign. Yeah, below also. Otherwise, you cannot come out. Then copy, and after that, you write. Yeah, after this, then you write down. Just paste. No, no, no. You do not
Control
write
V.
anything. Control V. Paste. Enter. No, still it is not going. Okay, then you have to come out. At least greater than sign, and after that you just write some commands, whatever the things are there, and you write down something A B C D E F G H like that. No, it is still thinking, that is, it is waiting for your command. Then you have to close.
Shall I answer? Stop sharing, sir. If someone else can see.
Yeah. Other people can work.
Do one thing, please. Can you copy your codings and paste it so we can do from here?
Okay, right.
Copy it and give it to our WhatsApp group.
1 minute, I will just.
Yes, from here.
You can paste it in the chat and you can
Chat
copy it.
box.
Yes, chat box.
First, I will stop sharing.
Yeah, stop share and close because it is not working. So this is sometimes this is a problem in case of the R. That is, R is always waiting for your command. And if R is not satisfied with your command, then R is waiting for you. And R is very sensitive. Now I am showing my data. Whatever you have done, I am showing that thing. So this is visible to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am writing the plot. Plot now I am writing pair. P A I R S pairs. Then, oh, I have not done the data frame. Student. Bracket. age, sorry, student equal to data dot frame
Has become
bracket
data, not data.
age ও ডেরা হয়ে গেছে না DATA. Now you have understood. That is good. Wait. Wait. Now I am write down. Then student. Now I write down plot. Plot, comma, dot student. Acha, here I am giving you another cue, that is repeatedly you are writing student, na? So if you write down attach, then you need not to write down repeatedly. Please, you do not forget. Attach command. When there will be the data frame, you are writing repeatedly. So you will write down attach. And then if you write down plot bracket age. So now I am not writing any student command. Plot age, comma, type equal to double inverted comma L. So I am getting the line chart. This is clear? Hello.
So, sir, after the attach command is done, now whatever we will do in terms of any command that
Yeah.
we'll get, say, let's say we give
You need
write
not
me.
to write down student dollar.
Okay.
So plot is not visible here, sir.
Plot
For me, it is visible. For me, it is visible.
Oh,
Plot bracket age, comma, type equal to within double inverted comma L. Then
okay.
you can write down, then you will get the line chart. Please practice it. You write down attach bracket student.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can you scroll your up uh, console window a little bit?
Oh, acha.
Amor,
Is it visible now?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this line chart is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you seen two lines are there?
Yes, sir. One is age, one is weight.
Yeah. So when you will do the multivariate, then you have to use several line charts. Then you can use this lines command. This is clear.
Yes, sir. So can you please run the locator command?
Okay, Tara.
Sir, in case I don't see plot in my RStudio, so then probably something wrong. The comments, other comments are coming, but plot is not being visible in my R. They are showing it need.
No, it is visible. Now I'm showing you. Plot.
No, I am seeing in your R, but not in my R. Then probably I need to update my RStudio.
Yeah, maybe.
Right.
Ma'am, what you were saying something that it is showing. What it was showing?
Now I am writing you another thing, call. Call means color.
Long page, right?
So now you see red color is there.
Yes.
I am not using the student command.
Because you have attached it.
Correct. So by using the color, you will get the different colors. This is clear?
Yes.
If you have any question, you can ask. Amit, any question?
No, sir.
How do you write the reversed L? Type equals to inverted comma, then reversed L. How did you
Not the
write that?
reverse cell.
L,
It
L
is
is
the
straight, not reversed, I think. It's coming up like this in stator. It's a small
Okay.
letter L.
what you want.
No, no, sir. He was confused about the letter L presentation.
No,
Actually,
L means line,
Line graph.
line chart.
Sir, can I leave the class for today? I have another work with my family.
Oh, you will miss. At least wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Figures. Age. Weight.
Okay. So now I am getting the relationship between age and weight. This is the plot.
So age in one axis and weight in
Yeah, another.
axis. Yeah. Right.
Okay. And if you want to find out which one age and which one weight, then you have to write down call.
Color of different dots.
Yeah. Call equal to C. C means concatenate. Then you can write down 2, 5. So this is the different colors I am using 2 and 5. Then another one, PCH. PCH includes how much it will be deep. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So now you can find out the variables by their color. So 2 colors are there. One is the red, another one is the green.
PCH means, sir?
You can change the PCH repeatedly to see the different to what extent it is deep.
What PCH stands for, sir?
PCH stands for, I cannot tell you, but it actually indicates the different types of dots.
Okay, yeah. But if I say color 2 and 5, so it is giving 2 different colors.
Two
So
different colors.
isn't that enough? Why I need PCH?
Yeah, you can write down PCH. If you do not write PCH, no problem.
If I don't write, then also color will come, right?
Yeah.
But
Color
PCH,
is coming, but the color is very light, no?
oh yeah, yeah. I see. With PCH, the colors are
Yeah, color will be visible.
contrasts are better. So
Yeah, yeah.
PCH equals 10.
So if I write down red, green,
PCH means more how
red and green,
deep
then I
the
can.
color will be probably. Yeah.
So I will get the red, another one green.
Right, right.
So by changing the PCH, you can change the structure.
Instead of 10, 20. So it will bigger, the dots. Oh no.
Okay.
So 20 means it is increasing
I'm
the
just writing arbitrary. You have to
yeah,
check.
right, sir. But what I'm trying to understand, by increasing the PCH number,
No, not
like
necessary. Not necessary.
it
It
is,
is you have to find out.
yeah, the graduation is increasing. Like when you gave 10,
Uh,
obviously the markings like 25, 30, this was less. But when you give 20, the number increased. I mean, in the lines, the
okay.
graduation.
Now I am writing core dot test bracket age comma weight. Okay. Code dot test is not appropriate, but still I am writing. Oh, this is significant.
Correlation, right, sir?
It is
Correlation.
simple. Yeah, it is the product movement correlation.
Okay.
It is 0.85.
So you core dot test.
Age bracket weight.
Core test age age comma weight. Weight. Oh. Correlation test p value. Oh, my one also showing significant. Right. Test.
So this is the coefficient.
Yeah. M H weight. LM
Sir, I want to leave. Can I?
Yeah, you can leave.
Thanks. Sorry, sir. I have an emergency.
Okay. You will follow the YouTube video.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, how you got the coefficients? I am not
Okay,
getting.
now you can get the regression line.
Okay.
I want to show you this thing. The regression line. Now I click locator. And the data which is very close to the regression line, I have to find out. This is the data. Okay. They
Yeah.
are very close to the regression line. So I can click it. So this is the data. X is 30 and Y is 44.
Mm.
Okay.
So you
So
click
if you,
in between, sir. You didn't click on any dot.
yeah.
Is that okay? Then?
Huh. But you have to write down locator.
Okay.
Because there is some data which is outlier.
Right.
That means away from the
Regression line.
regression line. This part is vital because you have to find out the data who are very close to the regression line. Now I click it. Again, I find this red sign. Okay. So this data is away from the maybe
How the trade sign came, sir?
it is getting 44 and 50. Okay. So this is the regression line. That means age and weight, they are highly correlated with each other. Na?
Yes.
They are 0.84.
84, yeah.
Yeah, so it is highly correlated. Therefore, you will find the regression line is straight.
And
That is, with the change in the age, you will get the.
outlier.
Yeah, this is the data. This individual, if you want to find out this individual, then again you have to do this locator. After that, you have to click this individual. Who is very senior. And yeah, so 72. 72.
Yeah.
The weight is 72 and age is 68 or 69 like that. Okay. So when you want to do the multivariate statistics, then you have to give much importance on the data. Whether your data is correlated or not, or associated with each other or not. This thing is very important. Now I am deleting all of them. Control L. Control L. Now I am writing you box plot. This is very important when you want to find out whether your data has any outlier or not. So box plot bracket age. Then I enter. Have you seen one plot? Have you ever seen this plot?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is called the box plot. How many hinges are there?
2.
5 hinges.
Okay,
So
right,
this
right.
is the minimum data. This is the first quartile. This is second quartile. This is third quartile. And this is the maximum. Okay. If there is any data beyond maximum, and you will find some zero or star, etc., then you can find out that particular data is the outlier. Similarly, below this minimum, if you find any data, then that will be the outlier. So this is the histogram. Because it is a metric data and majority data falls within the 50 to 55 weight. Majority falls, at least. Okay. This Y lab is the frequency, X is the weight, histogram of weight. When you want to use the multivariate statistics, you have to check. And if we write down, my data frame name is student. Now, can you see the problem? Where lies the problem? Because the unit of age and unit of weight is different.
Unit as in, sir?
Unit of weight and unit of age is different. So what is important? You have to change the properties. You have to make it scale. Then age scale equal to scale. So that is the age scale. Similarly, weight scale. Scale means standardization because the units of weight and age is different. So now you will find that is the two data set, they are standardized. They are on the similar scale. Now you can tell. And if you want to know what is this, so this is the age scale. Okay. Age scale means score minus mean divided by standard deviation.
This has now been Z score, right, sir?
Yeah, it is the Z.
So, sir, when you ran this box plot student command before converting the age scale and weight scale, it gave this box plot. If we again run that box plot with the student scale data uh, that we have,
Yeah,
so
yeah. If we write down box plot, maybe you will get the same result, but the scaling properties is different.
okay,
Student.
scale. So, sir, the student scale.
Yeah, you can write down student scale. Because when you find the unit,
Yes.
yeah, this is the student scale. So when the box plot student scale, then you will find that is their properties are changing.
Hmm.
Okay. So if I write down student, weight scale, then I am getting this result. Score minus mean divided by standard deviation. So when you do the multivariate statistics, you are dealing with the different type of variables. Maybe the weight, age, education, different, and the scaling properties will be different. And therefore, you have to convert them into the standard standardized data. So today you have learned many things from RStudio.
Sir, what is the importance of this scaling?
Scaling importance, that is when you will find that is your data, uh, units of your data, because age, the unit of age and the unit of weight is different. No? Here we are taking the middle age, but if we take that is the maybe from class 1 to 6 to 10, suppose, then what will happen? Their age and their weight, this thing would be totally different. No? So weight is always higher in comparison with the age. That means the unit of weight and unit of age is different. So you have to find out the parity between the scaling properties of variables. Specifically, this is important for the multivariate statistics.
Sir,
But
now
what is the application, sir? Because can you give any example where when we don't do the scale, there is some deficit or problem?
I can show you just now.
Even after scaling, both the box plot are separate.
Yeah, that will be. Here you will find that is the two things are different. Na? Without scaling the picture, and with scaling picture is different. Here you can find out the zero. Can you see the zero in the y-axis?
yes, sir.
So zero is there. But if we write down box plot,
Students only.
student only, okay.
Uh, sir, uh, shall I paraphrase what is there in my mind about whatever you have explained? So,
Yeah.
so, so
Uh,
we scaled our data in order to develop the parity in terms of unit. For example, age is measured in terms of year, let's say time is the year unit for age, and weight is we measure in kilogram. So we cannot compare the two units because they are entirely different. One is measured in time, another is measured in weight, a kilogram. So
wow,
now,
very good.
so now we are converting age and weight into one single standard with the help of scaling in order to put them into a category where we can compare. And that is why we are standardizing it,
Correct, correct.
putting it
Very good.
into a baseline where we can compare both of them, removing the unit aspect that they currently are having. Isn't it? Is that the so, sir?
Very good. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
That I understood, sir, when we did the scaling. But what that zero you told, can you just show where is that zero?
so now here you can find out the median is 40 in case of the age. Okay. And in case of the weight, uh, The median is 65 maybe. Okay. So when I write down student scale. Now here you can find out the difference between age and weight. Here is the 0. From the 0, you will find this is the box size and this is weighted box size. Box sizes are totally different.
Can you zoom the scripts or console?
Is it not visible to you?
No, sir.
Amit sir, if you can see the box plot on in the plots region, you can find 0 on the y-axis.
If I write down box plot for student, then it will be the original score, but it is the transformed score. This is the transformed score, and transformation is important in case of the multivariate statistics because here the variables are different. And when you find that is the scaling properties are same. For example, you have used multiple variables using 5-point Likert scale. Then there will be no problem. But some scales are 5 points, some scales are 4 points, some scales are 3 points. Then the scoring properties will be different. So you have to standardize. This is clear now.
Sir, by looking at this standardized box plot, can we have an idea about the normality of the data? I mean, by just look, can we have the normality?
Oh,
Yes,
normality
sir.
assumption.
I mean, but by just looking at it, how can we decipher the normality? Can we?
No, it is not by this way. Then you
Okay.
have to do something other.
I mean, so by looking at box plot, we cannot decide the normality.
No, no, no.
Okay, okay.
You give norm. Then you give plot age. You give plot y is missing. Give line correction. Give p I have give line. Then give norm age. Then give line. Okay. So you have to write down QQ node, then bracket age, then QQ line, bracket age. Okay. So in this manner, you can find out whether the data normality is there or not.
Okay, sir.
Here the sample data is very small, na? So if you want to get the normal data, then I am showing you x equal to normal. Normal. One is 2,000. Okay. Now if I write down QQ norm x, this is clear now.
Yes, sir. And then we will like QQ line X and then a line will go.
Yeah. Now you find the line.
Okay. Sir.
So here you can find out it is the normal distribution.
Okay, sir.
You have to check the normality of your data. Your dependent variable, you have to check the normality of the dependent. So what are the things you have learned
Sir,
today?
sir, so we learned that we need to prepare our data. We use the function scan, and then we developed age and weight, and then we went ahead for creating our data frame, and then we got our data structure, and after that we used the plot line functions. We tried locator as well, and then we used the scale command in order to standardize our unit, and QQ norm, QQ line we also did. So yes, that's all I can recall as of now.
Okay. That means after entering the data, you have to pre-process the data. This is called the pre-processing of the data. You do not use the data for your model development without pre-processing. You have to pre-process the data. So what are the pre-processing I have done? Number one, I have checked the outlier, whether outlier is there or not. Since there is no outlier, I have done the correlation. And after the correlation, I have studied the regression line. And before that, I should do it. I should check the QQ plot. That is whether my data follows the normality or not. So this is the pre-processing data. When you are dealing with the metric data, then it is better to follow.
Sir, I was wondering, like in QQ plot shows normal, it is for normality, but in our regression
In our
plot,
data, is very small data, 10 data.
right, right. So
So
there we found some outliers. So that's
yeah,
what.
yeah. So in the 10 data, you cannot do the normality test. Here I have written 1 to 1000.
Oh, yeah.
Therefore, it becomes easy for me.
Yes, yes. Now I got it. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. R is dealing with the big data. That is the advantage of the R.
Right.
Now, do you have any question? So you have understood the pre-processing data, okay?
So far, sir, we have seen a normally distributed data, but like
Yeah.
if
What is Shati? Shati has left, no?
Shati, I think, left. Sir, my question was, here we are seeing normally distributed data. If we don't see the data distribution is normal, then
you have to transform the data into log.
transform, right? Okay.
You have to transform the
Hello.
data. Otherwise, you can do the chi-square.
Yeah, yeah. If I transform data, so then I cannot get mean.
No, you can transform into log 10.
Yeah, locked in, then the mean will be something very different.
Again, you will get the mean.
Interpret.
Yeah, because it is your transformed mean.
Right, right. Okay.
Sir, what chi-square we can do? I didn't get that point. You said you can do chi-square.
Now, if there is any outlier, then you can remove that outlier. Otherwise, if you think that is outlier is important here, then you can do the chi-square because your data has the skewness. If your data has the skewness, then you cannot use the parametric statistics easily.
Okay, sir, got it. So one thing I wanted to ask regarding the normality part. So, hello? Am I
Hello,
audible?
hello.
So, sir, speaking of the normality part, so there are uh, for the multivariate normality and univariate.
Multivariate normality is different.
Okay,
This is not the multivariate normality. Multivariate normality is totally different. That is the Mahalanobis model.
okay. I mean, sir, that's a request if we get time on that as well some other day. Uh,
No, everything, because I have retained everything in the Google Classroom.
okay.
There you can find out.
And sir, one last question with that. So, then, sir, a few univariate normality criteria can also be
Yeah, today I
accepted.
have told today I have taught you about the univariate and the bivariate.
Okay.
And these things are very important. When you want to use the multivariate, before
Yes,
that, you have to check your univariate properties, bivariate properties of your data. Otherwise, most of the people you find that is they are using directly the multivariate, but this is not good because they are, in that case, you may get some of the errors. and you have to manage your error.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So may I close now?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Good night. Joseph has not told anything today. What happened, Joseph?
Yes, I catch up with, each and everything you said. And like, I'm familiar with, how to deal with some basic like statistic with, this R Studio. Maybe, we have learned about something which I'm not familiar with, like at the end of like the class. And that's really an enriching, you know, experience. And yeah,
Yeah, slowly
like,
you will learn, because today you have learned how to use the Art Studio, and you have learned many things. So please you follow
yeah,
today's
yeah.
YouTube video. Then I think
Mm,
you can practice it in better way.
okay, sir.
And the Google Classroom, I have written everything.
Mm, mm. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.